In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your writing skill with ChatGPT. If you want your writing to sound clearer, sharper, and more professional, without spending hours editing every sentence, ChatGPT can be a very useful tool. The key is not just pasting in your text and hoping for the best. What really makes the difference is giving it a strong prompt that tells it exactly how to revise your work. To begin, open ChatGPT and make a prompt. In the message box, paste the piece of writing you want to improve. This can be a paragraph, an email draft, a short essay, or any other text you feel could be stronger. For example, you might paste in a paragraph explaining how small daily habits can improve productivity over time. The important thing here is to give ChatGPT the exact writing you want help with, so it has something specific to edit and refine. Once you've pasted your writing, add a clear instruction to guide the revision. You can use this prompt. Improve the following writing by making it clearer, stronger, and more engaging while preserving the original meaning and tone. Correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, and awkward phrasing. Strengthen sentence flow, improve readability, and replace vague or repetitive language with precise wording. Delete every word that earns no meaning. Keep the point, drop the padding. Target 30% shorter. Write like each word costs you $10. Deliver a polished version that is concise, natural, and ready to publish or send. This prompt works well because it tells ChatGPT exactly what you want. It asks for clarity, better flow, and cleaner wording while also protecting your original meaning and tone. It also pushes the writing to become more concise, which is one of the fastest ways to make weak writing feel stronger. If your drafts tend to be wordy, repetitive, or slightly awkward, this kind of instruction can be especially helpful. After that, click Submit and let ChatGPT generate the improved version. Once the response appears, read through it carefully. Pay attention to how the sentences are tightened, how unnecessary words are removed, and how the ideas feel more direct. This is where the real learning happens. You're not only getting a better draft, you're also seeing examples of stronger writing choices in action. Over time, using this method can help you recognize common problems in your own writing and improve them faster on your own. Keep practicing with different pieces of text and you'll start to build better writing habits naturally.